My name is Katie Glock. I've been working here for probably about three, 4 years. You know, I know a lot of people that do construction, and yeah, I wanted the experience. I wanted to learn more. Yeah, I have a whole different appreciation for construction. It's a lot harder than what I thought. And you know, yeah, like I said, I got a whole different appreciation for people that do construction. You know, and the camaraderie of things. You know, I mean, I got a lot of great crew members that I work with. They teach me a lot of things, and you know, I'm excited to further on. You know, keep learning things in different parts of the business. It is a family business, and I like that because I think it's kind of feels at home. You know, it feels real connected. You know, it's been a good experience to be able to work up. You know, I mean, I started as a laborer. You know, it wasn't long, and they offered me a lead position. So I run my own Sealcoat crew. It's been good. It's been good. It's been a good experience. You know, I want for us all to be, you know, working together as a team, communicating on the same page. You know, knowing it as much as each other, so that things flow well through the day. I like the hands-on stuff. I like the physical labor part of things. You know, I like that hard work. Do a lot of running and a lot of 5Ks. I'm into activity, sports, things like that. You know, kayaking. You know, staying in shape. I work out a lot. I run a lot. Like to stay active, stay moving. Definitely like to learn in more places on the crews and what they do, how it works, so that, you know, if need be or if I can, you know, I mean, I can help out in all areas of the company and be an asset. Well, for me, I started in the infrared, and then I got, they offered me the position for lead for Sealcoat. I've only worked a few areas. There's areas that I have not been introduced to yet, and you know, I'm open and anxious for that opportunity as well. Yeah, I'm definitely interested in learning all areas of J&W. I have talked about getting my CDL. That's a definite for me within time here. You know, for me, I feel like my crew and the guys that I work with, they actually become like family to me. You know, we spend out of a week, we spend, you know, a lot of time together. You know, the days are early and they go late. It's not easy. It's hot. It's hard. You know, and we rely a lot on each other, feedback and you know, positive stuff back and forth to each other. You know, to help make those long days or those really hard times bearable.